Thanks for coming out. Anybody ready to shoot a bow? Anybody? Oh, there's a couple things we got to go over before we can go shoot a bow. How many knows that we want to be safe and not have any problems? Huh? So, my name is Jack Van Brill, and I'm the leader of Sure Shot Ministries. So, and we're glad you're here tonight. This is my assistant, my helper, my daughter Joy. And she's a sure shot. She's already been through it. She knows a little bit. She can shoot a bow pretty good. And sometimes, but she can the bow on her head. She's not too good. Anybody ever heard of Hired Hill? Hired Hill was the greatest archer. And we're going to see a little bit about him. We're going to run a little clip. He's the one that shot. Remember the scene in Robin Hood where they split the arrow? That was an actual shot. That wasn't a stunt. He actually did that shot. And Hired Hill, he was about my size, but well, just let the film show you. Go ahead.